Hey everyone, I am so excited to show you guys the difference between the 1¼ inch curling iron versus the 1½ inch curling iron. So pretty much on one side of my head, I'm going to be doing the 1¼ inch, and on the other side of my head, I'm going to compare the 1½ inch. So if you want to see what these two curls look like on short hair, keep on watching. With the Marcel curling iron, I have it on lock. Turn on your curling iron. I have the temp turned to full blast. Set the temp according to your hair type, of course. I turn on the 1.5 inch curling iron and set it to full blast as well. Here's the 1¼ and 1½ inch curling iron side by side. I prep my hair with 2 thermal products. Pump the Chi Argan Oil into the palm of your hand. Rub your palms together and apply it from this point down to the ends. I don't like applying this product to the crown of my head because I don't like it looking all greasy in this area. Spray the Chi 44 Iron Guard all over, then I run my fingers through my hair to distribute the products evenly. You can also use a brush if you like. I start sectioning my hair and getting it ready to curl. With this bottom section, I'm not going to curl because the top layers will cover it. To curl your hair correctly, you want to place the curling iron around 4 to 5 inches down the hair strand. Rotate the curling iron up the hair strand, hold for a few seconds, and click the handle as you work your way down the hair strand, then hold for a few seconds. I'm going to demonstrate how not to curl your hair. You don't want to leave the curling iron on one area of your hair strand for an extensive amount of time. This will cause more damage to that one part of your hair strand. This is how I used to curl my hair when I was little. I grab approximately 1 inch section while I curl my hair, and I curl away from my face. I'm going to finish curling the right side of my head with the 1¼ inch curling iron. This is the Marcel curling iron that I'm using for the 1¼ inch, which is the professional version. I recommend getting the curling iron with the handle with the 1½ inch instead because it's easier to use. Alright, this is what the 1¼ inch looks like right off the curling iron without separating it. I'm going to let it cool down while I curl the other side of my head. Now I'm curling the left side of my head with the 1½ inch curling iron. Same thing, take a 1 inch section, place the curling iron around 4 to 5 inches down the hair strand, rotate the curling iron up the hair strand, hold for a few seconds depending on your hair type, and click the handle as you work your way down the hair strand. Then hold for a few seconds. I'm going to curl the rest of my left side really quick with the 1½ inch curling iron. You could tell the curls are more loose compared to the 1¼ inch curling iron curls. Here's what it looks like without separating the curls. The right side is super curly and the left side is more soft. I'm going to start separating the curls on the right side first since it's cooled down. This is always my favorite part, separating the curls. I love seeing how my curls turn out. Now I'm going to separate the left side really quick. I seriously cannot decide which side I like better. I honestly would wear both looks depending on the day and what mood I'm in. I finish off with the Chi Dry Shampoo for volume and to control the oils as well. Spray the Joico beach spray from the mid shaft to the ends to define the curls. Here's what it looks like with product. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you have any suggestions on future videos, go ahead and comment down below. And I tried to color my hair a little bit lighter for the tutorials because some of you guys can't see the curl sizes because of my dark hair. But that didn't work out. It probably needs a few washes before it lightens up. So I tried. It's just still freaking dark. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to have fun, be creative, and I'll see you next time.